Hey guys, Gabe the First here. That's such a stupid intro. Anyway, we're gonna be making a game in Unity 3. But first, if we go to installs and then install editor, then archive, if you go to the Unity's download archive, you can see that I didn't mean to open it twice. You can see that if you go to Unity 4 or older, there's no Unity Hub option. So alongside making a game in Unity 3, I'm also going to do it through Unity Hub just to see what it does. So that's what we'll be doing. Oh my gosh, OBS is really slowing my computer down. So let's try it. Oh, it's actually working. I mean, I guess we'll see, because it might stop working once it gets actually into the ender. Oh no, it actually worked. It's nice. It's so weird not having a grid. And the hierarchy being here. I gotta make like a... I didn't mean to do that. I make like a plane so I can see where the ground is. It just spawned so far away. Okay, so... Oh, there's no lights in this scene. Let's add a directional light with shadows. Okay. Now I think we can add a capsule and make a character controller. But I'm gonna make a really simple one because I don't feel like spending tons of... Look at these shadows! It looks so weird. What? Well, okay, I don't feel like spending tons of time on a character controller, so I'm gonna make a very simple one. So let's do that. I'm missing an important service patch. Let's see what this is. Yeah, I'm missing a super important service patch. Well, anyway. Let's make a character controller. There's no add component option. I gotta... Oh my gosh. These menus you have to click and hold to, or else they'll close. I'm just not used to doing it that way. Oh no, is this gonna open in MonoDevelop instead of Visual Studio? I guess we'll see. It did open in MonoDevelop. Oh my gosh. I don't think I've ever used MonoDevelop before. Oh, is there a dark mode? There's only default and Windows. Wow. Imagine not making a dark mode. Okay then. So, I think we just need a rigid body. Wait, are they not called rigid bodies? I'm really not used to this. Oh my gosh. How do I add a component? So confused. What? Unity 3 is very weird. Can you like... What? How do you add a component? Honestly, we don't need a rigid body. We'll do it without one. Okay, let me make sure transforms exist. Also, I'm gonna move the console so we can... Never mind, it crashed. Oh no. Don't send me project. Okay, I guess we're not gonna move the console. Going so well. I just realized it deleted my transform. And also everything I just made. Okay. This is going so well. And then make the, no, not the plane, the camera a child of the capsule. And then make the camera 0 at 0. And then we'll move it up a bit. So now game mode should look like, we don't need 2 model develops. Okay, so I think the player transform is working correctly. If we think. Okay. So I'm hoping we can just add a component by doing this. We can! That is so, that's so awesome. Capsule. Okay, so I'm pretty sure we just need to, oh, how did my cursor get there? I need to add speed so I can tell how fast the player's gonna go. Okay. Time. Oh, movement speed 0. Okay, we can walk forward. Let's see if that worked first try. That would be crazy. Variable mouse X is assigned but never used. Okay, so maybe it works. Axis mouse X is not set up. Uh-oh. Maybe it's not capital. Now that I know there's a space, I think it should work now, hopefully. It's kind of hard though because we have to be careful not to touch the debug log. Okay, yep, that works. Yep, look at that. We can look left and right. And we can also... Oh, speed is still set to 0. That's why I can't walk. Okay, I'm gonna change speed to like 1. Is that how you use it in old Unity? I am not sure, but I think the last time I used old versions of Unity, that is what you did. Cursor does not exist? What? Is it lowercase? Cursor does not exist. Okay, I guess I do not know how to... Scripting reference. Whoa, this is weird. Screen.pop cursor. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, you can't look up and down, but that is probably just something I did. Now, that should work, hopefully. Oh my gosh. What is happening? I'm not even moving the camera. Is it because I multiplied it? Wait, I didn't multiply it. Why did it unlock my cursor? So, if you press W, it translates forward. But if I press W, it doesn't go forward. Let's try adding lighting. Oh yeah, we definitely need lighting. Okay, so let's make a directional light for the sun and then add shadows again. There, look how good this looks. But actually, how do you add a component? What? I guess we do not need to. Can we make a skybox? I guess we can't. Is it somewhere else? I don't know how to make a skybox in this version. Okay, let me save this. What is making, wait, can you not make more than one scene? What? Why can't you make more than one scene? Can I make a cube map of the sky? I think so. I make a beautiful sky texture. You guys will not believe how good I am at skies. Look at this cloud. Guys, this sky is so crazy. Here it is. Maybe I can go to that ancient scripting API. No. It should use the skybox shader. go to component rendering skybox. That's how you. Oh my gosh. You just had no, it has to be a skybox, which doesn't use the skybox shader. So, what if we just use mobile skybox on game view? Oh my gosh, what? This looks so stupid. Okay then. There, we got our epic skybox. Now I need to figure out why this isn't going forward. Well, actually, I could just use a rigid body now that I know how. Now, I think you can go forward. So let's see. Maybe I just have to turn the speed up. Oh, that's way too slow. What about like 500? Okay, so D is supposed to be right, but it's not. So I'm gonna fix that. I bet someone noticed that right away and we're like, oh my gosh. So now you should be able to actually walk around. I changed it in play mode. The speed got it. That's to be 500. Also, I should probably put the movement into fixed update instead of update. There, we got a map you could walk around finally. Also, this camera's really low FOV. Can I change it? What about a 90? Let's keep it like that. And then let's make this plane, like make it like really long. And then let's put the player back here. Oh wait, now that we have a rigid body, I think we can fall off. Let's try it. Yup, we can. Okay, this is actually way too long. We make it like that. And at the end here, we can make, oh my gosh, I keep forgetting that. We can make like some type of room to go in. Wow, this is gonna be a tall room. It's okay. And then let's just rotate this and put it on the ceiling. Me when I take way longer because I don't feel like opening Blender. So I spent a ton of extra time making a Unity scene made out of cubes. That's what this video is. Making a Unity game out of cubes is a horrible idea, but I guess that's also what we're doing here. Whoa, the shadows are very strange. So now if we go into play mode, we can walk into this building over here. Okay. Yep, we can. So we can make this like a parkour game. So I gotta add jumping, which I can only do if I can raycast. Let me see if raycast work the same way. 500 might be not enough, but it doesn't matter. We can change it. So it doesn't contain. Oh, yeah, duh. It has to be negative up. There. Variable hit is declared but never used. Who cares? Can I jump now? I can, but it's really, really not enough force. What about 5,000? Oh, we can. Oh my gosh. Okay. 5,000 did work. Okay. Also, I don't know how to make a new scene, but can we just copy and paste this one? Oh my gosh, we can. Who cares? Game 1 doesn't need all that stuff. Whoa, the UIs are way different. Is there a way to make a UI button? I guess we're not going to add a main menu. Let's go back to the game scene and also add the scene to build settings so we can build it. So we can build a parkour course out here. So this is a very long jump, but it might be possible. Oh, are we gonna make it? Oh, it's possible! Okay, it might be really hard. Oh my gosh, I have to make this a bigger platform. Okay, so we do it like that, and then we can put like a wall so you can't go off the end. I did not mean to make the Z 0. How did I even do that? Okay, so if we move this up like this, then we should have a platform. Oh, and then we gotta add a respawn trigger. Oh! Okay, so you can fall down. I mean, you can make the jump. I didn't mean to say fall down. Yeah, this movement controller is really floaty. Oh my gosh. But it's okay for now, I guess. Let's make more platforms. Yay. Oh my gosh, you could turn the grid on! That's so useful! I didn't know you could do that. Okay. So, let's add a respawn trigger, because I always forget to do that whenever I make games with bottomless pits. So, let's do it early. Actually, we don't need a respawn trigger. We're too cool for those. We'll just check if your Y level is too low. I guess. Let's see if it respawns you correctly. Oh, nice. It does. No, I failed the jump. That's so sad. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I failed on accident. At least I could respawn. Some actual gameplay. By that I mean one jump. So let's add more. This jump is gonna be hard. Look at this. It goes up slightly, and it's smaller. That's literally insane. Never been done before in the history of history. And then this one is gonna be even more insane. It goes up even more. I know. It's crazy. Also, I gotta make sure it works. Oh, I gotta get more momentum for that. No! I could have made that! Okay, let's try again. Okay. Let me build the game so I can make sure it actually works. Epic.exe. Let's go. Now let's open the game and make sure it runs. I'm gonna run this on fantastic graphics. You guys aren't gonna believe it. Oh, it's not in full screen. Well, anyway. Let's go, guys. Oh my gosh, that jump is really hard, actually. Oh my gosh. I should really improve that jump. So... Oh, I made it! No! I could have just kept going. Okay. I think I can make it. No. Okay, this game is really hard. I should make the movement easier to control. I'm not sure if it's gonna happen though. Because there's some more games I could be making right now that aren't made in Unity 3. Okay, so let's we gotta make this easier. Or we could just keep it, because I think it is possible. Barely. So this is just gonna be a very hard game. Let's get another cube here. Okay, guys. This is literally so revolutionary. This one's not gonna move up. It's gonna move over. So you gotta go over here. And then even crazier, this one's gonna move down instead of up. I know. Okay, so I'm gonna stop with that joke because it's gonna stop being funny. So after you complete this, you're gonna get something crazy. Wait, is animations here? Whoa, that's weird. That's so strange. I might try using those, I'm not sure. So, let's make a room with a really tall roof. See? It's crazy. It's crazy how good of a... how you know? After you make it here, inside, we're literally gonna put a prize for winning. Okay, this is way too big. Let me make it a little smaller. Okay, on top of here is gonna be the prize. See, we're just gonna put some 3D text on the cube. Oh my gosh, 3D text used to look even worse. I did not know that. And people are going to be so happy when they get to the end and get this cube. Oh, let's change the color. It's gold color. I can't believe it. Okay, but after you beat this parkour course, you get this win, and I gotta make a script so you can actually claim it. You guys aren't gonna believe what it's gonna do. You put in all the hard work to get to the end, you're gonna get something insane if this will ever open. Hopefully the on mouse down function works in this version of Unity. Okay, that jump is really hard. I don't know if I'll be able to get it. Ooh, oh no, I'm gonna have to make it easier. And then this one. That shouldn't be as hard because it barely moves. Guys, this is what I would call a bad movement controller if I... Oh no! 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 I'm so sad. I literally won. Oh. So when you get this win and get your epic prize, then a new course is gonna open up. This is gonna be crazy. Okay, okay. Is that how it works? Oh, it is. Okay. It's gonna go up. Okay, I'm sorry. I said I was done with that joke. Okay, this might not be possible. What's cloth? Unity used to have cloth? I didn't know that. Oh my gosh, we gotta add cloth to this game. Why would they remove it? You gotta walk through the cloth to get it. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh no, it fell down. Okay guys, we're gonna add cubes with rigid to hold the cloth up. Can you make the cloth two-sided? No. That is so sad. What's tear factor? Nothing, I guess. Materials. Okay. Sight probes. Possibly not visible. Well, anyway, let's put cubes on top and see if they hold the cloth down. Maybe they'll hold the cloth on. Oh, they are! Look at that, it works! It's so weird that Unity had cloth and then removed it. I mean, there has to have been a reason, but... Okay, can you make a render texture? You can! Okay, let's make another camera. No, not a wind zone. Create camera. This camera is gonna show what the prize is. Okay. And then render texture is going to be, let's make this use this texture. Oh my gosh, that looks so stupid. Okay, this is gonna be so great. Prize! And then over here, there's gonna be something crazy. We're gonna get an even better prize. Wait. There. This is the only way out. You can't Alt F4, except for the fact that you can. Now if we disable course 2, it's gone. Now we have a fully playable game. Let's build it again. Oh, I want that stretched cube. Let's go. You know, I realize now I should have added a crosshair so you can actually see where you're looking. Just like put in a plus and change it to middle center. There, we got a crosshair. There's 2 audio listeners. Okay, I'll remove one. Well, there, we made an entire game in Unity 3, except for it being fun. So, that's it. We're done. I'm gonna go back to working on other games now.